Top of the day, everybody. I'm at Home Depot, as y'all can see the background. This is what I love, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm here just grabbing a few things. One of my pieces was that I purchased from here was missing. I think I remember the light piece was missing. Came here to just grab that. I got a list of things to do. I got to go pick my rent up. I'm going to go to... I got a whole list. Let me check my list. And I'm trying to be more organized this year. So this is why I got the list. Let's see. We got... I'm going to do the floor at Wilkins today. That's definitely my main objective. I talked to Colin yesterday. I'm going to have him come do drywall at Wilkins in the attic, in the stairway, in the laundry room. I called the electrician. He coming over today to fix the electrical in the hallway. I'm gonna get the kitchen finished at Wabash and the bathroom. I gotta go to Coleman, get the C of O, get the windows painted and the window screens in. I have to go to the bank and take some money out. And the other thing I had to do is what I'm already here for. So stay tuned. I'm going to grab the floors. We tap in shortly. Yo, I know y'all probably looking like, why is it so dark? We just seen it daytime. As a matter of fact, in Home Depot, my fault. Listen, I came over here, my first day working off the new year. Like working physically. I usually never do physical work. Everybody will tell you that. Anyway, I end up starting the floor here. Damn near finishing the floor here. And I was so tired. I'm talking about so tired. I had to go to the crib to take a nap. And that nap was one of the best naps I ever had. So look, here we go with the floor. The floor is pretty much dropped. I still gotta continue running in here. And I will definitely be able to say, I'm done. I started cutting this piece and got real intricate, and I'm like, you know what? It's quiet for that right now. I ain't about to get too crazy with that. But y'all about to sit here and do this floor with me. That's what y'all about to do. All right. What I end up doing, because my electric got the old Carter system, which is some electric style they had like back in the day. What I end up doing is what the electrician end up telling me, like, yo, we just need single pole light switches to make all these lights work. He said this one working. Let's see. No, not working yet. Okay, so I gotta call him because that's attached to a lot of the stuff in this house. That's the trim I end up putting on, you know? That one painted as well, gotta get caulked a little bit. But it's cool, I'm about to start getting that tub painted. We're really on the way out. I'm about ready to rent a truck, take all this stuff to my storage unit, finish it out. But this house looking good, man. Probably gonna have, it's literally touch-ups, little stuff that need to be, the paint touch-ups are done. Yeah, the paint touch-ups are done, so that's stuff like get the glasses fixed and on the window and all that, you feel me? There's stuff like that I gotta get done. But when I'm gonna have to take this whole door out and take that over to my people's house so that they could end up putting a glass in the door for me. Like I said, I gotta clean these windows. This one clean because I had got it freshly done, and then I gotta get that window clean. Right? Closet floors look good, done, sturdy, nice. You know what I'm saying? Closet good. I actually gotta run to the car. Let me call that electrician. Cause this light's supposed to be working. He said. My boy. What's good with it? I just got over here. Hey, this is the power off?
It shouldn't be, but if it is, it's the third breaker down on the right.
Third breaker down? Okay, yeah, because this upstairs light switch ain't working. Which ain't a problem.
Turn on the bottom. Did you turn on the bottom? Turn on the bottom light switch.
Turn on the bottom light switch. Hold on. Also, you know that's connected to a lot of the house, so is that gonna turn it on?
Everything should, the power should be on. If that's on, did you turn the light come on?
Oh nah. Oh wait, yeah,
Okay.
the whatchamacallit came on. This light, the light right here when you first walk in the door is on.
The one that's hanging?
No, the one that like right outside of that.
Oh yeah, that's normal. So that's part of the same circuit.
Right. So this on the third breaker as well.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So the upstairs light not working then.
Alright, that's what you standing in front of.
The three-way.
Yeah.
I hit it and then go upstairs.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Again, it ain't a big deal. I just want to make sure that when it does work, everything downstairs that is.
No, I'm gonna make sure.
Oh yeah, it worked. It's working.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna come back and fix it to where that bottom switch don't work at all.
Got you. Okay, yeah. So this does work. And then we just need probably, like I said, that little stairway down there need power as well, because all that was intertwined, you know. Okay, bro. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.
Yep.
Right. Yeah, that's the electrician, but we about to get busy on this floor. Whew, it's time, man. Let's see. So right now, what I'm trying to do, and I need my broom. What I'm trying to do right now is cut this out, this wall piece right here, so that this this piece of flooring will go hidden right under it and you don't see the cut in it. All right, so I gotta cut, I gotta notch it out, cut it and then notch it out. So late, I really don't even want to be doing all this over here. Respect the neighbors. Oh, damn. definitely have to use my shop vac to get these little critter pieces up. So boom. Okay, that's good. I gotta notch out this piece over here on this side now. Screwdriver. Do the same thing to this side. Get that up out of there. Okay. Okay. So. I need to cut out one piece of this flooring. That and that. Should I have my tape measure, I'd have been able to measure how much of this piece right here that I need. But it's alright. I'll just get it done. Now I gotta notch more of this side out. I'm telling you though, once you get through these door jambs, it's over. I'm good. That's why it don't matter how much time I spend on these. Let's see where we can go now with it. Okay, so right here, my problem is this side, which is cool because again, we only got a small piece left till we get where we need shouldn't have did that. Goofy as hell. Alright. Okay. Where's it stopping now? Damn. Look like I gotta cut more of this part. Everything else is good, just this part. Ooh. I can do one of two things right now. I could either cut it to where, cut it a little more. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Got about a little piece left to go, man. It's not right there. It's not right there. So, let me see something. Cut this piece. So, you always want to cut less. Because you can always go back and cut more. You can't add though. Remember that. I said, let's do my loud golf cart. Listen, y'all. This how it be, man. You be in the struggle by yourself, you know what I mean? Simple as that. It ain't struggle, it's really work. Alright, so I pretty much got this side ready to go. Damn, I'll cut. Cut this side back a little bit. Now, over here. Okay. I see what my problem is. My problem is this side. I say let's move that like a go-kart. Oh. There's some pieces left under there. That's what that is. Whew. All right. Ooh. There she go. I seen the piece and I got it. Got the piece good now. Whew. All right, I gotta get shot back. Come back to myself real quick. But it's all worth it though. Long term, we keep that sturdy. I know that was one piece. I'm gonna turn it back on in a second. It's my dog birthday. Look at all that chip paint up there. Gotta have Colin come scrape, mud that, paint these cabinets in here, paint the trim in here. See my floor damn near done. Right? Late nights, early AM. Tomorrow, get it done, you hear me? Nice stair pattern. I can start putting my cabinets in now. I hate doing the small cuts on the end and all. And the last little cut right there, finished that one because it was a perfect square piece. But it's like a couple pieces. You got one over there, one at the door, one and like two right here, and one right here. They probably charged me $30 to do them pieces. I'm gonna pay that $30 to get it done. I don't have time to do it. I'm ready to put the cabinets in. So I probably go get those tomorrow. I'm gonna come over here and measure like I've been supposed to do. My tape measure broke. And go from there. Majority of this stuff cleaned up, like the sand and stuff, as y'all can see. This is the kitchen, is not clean, but everything else is cleaned up. Got to start cleaning the windows, the paint off now. We taking it home, y'all. We taking it home. All right. Get these windows clean real nice. So when people come through, they, get the real victory and glory. I got all my lights working. Everything is healthy. We good. That ends the night off. I'm gonna show you the time. Late night, early morning, don't stop, you heard?